What is GDPR? EU General Data Protection Regulation is formally approved by the EU Parliament and enforceable from May 25th of 2018. The purpose of this regulation is to protect the personal data of EU citizens. Non-compliance will result in hefty penalties of 20 million euros or 4% of the annual turnover, which may lead to insolvency. Moreover, there's also possible imprisonment for non-compliance. Businesses and organizations have to obtain consent while collecting and processing personal information. They also have to inform the data subject about the purpose, duration, and context of processing. The organizations have to maintain audit trails, proof of consent, and documentation of processing activities. GDPR increases the rights and powers of data subjects. Now the organizations have to provide them a way to access, edit, or erase the personal data. In certain situations, appointment of data protection officer is mandatory under this regulation. Organizations have to notify the personal data breach to supervisory authority within 72 hours. What's the problem? Implementation of GDPR will be quite hard. Only 1 in 4 SMEs has done something about it. 80% of organizations won't be compliant with the new regulation by the deadline date. Of those, half will take steps to comply but won't meet the regulation's requirements, and the other half will intentionally ignore this. Most of the advisors are only providing an expensive and basic advice. Such advices are not user-friendly. Many SMEs cannot afford such expensive solution. Among many requirements of GDPR, one is to appoint a data protection officer under certain situations. Recent studies have shown that there's a deficiency of 74,000 data protection officers in the EU. Hiring an in-house data protection officer will be an additional burden on companies' payroll. How Seers can help you. Keeping in view the key challenges and requirements, Seers provides one-stop-shop solutions assisted by artificial intelligence. AI-driven toolkits assess each requirement of regulation in minutes. Seers software tool generates assessment reports with recommendations. Companies can keep audit trails for different requirements, including consent. The companies will have a clear documentation of their records. That is a crucial requirement. The project management toolkit will keep track of your compliance journey. AI chatbots can quickly answer any query. On Seers platform, you find a quality advisor with a discount fee. You can discuss compliance issues with our advisor, online or in person. Seers hiring platform will help a company in outsourcing a DPO on contractual basis and reduce your cost. 4 reasons to choose Seers. Seers software solutions are assisted by artificial intelligence, which makes the compliance fast and easy. Our assessment tools and chatbots are absolutely free. Seers software solutions will assist not only data protection experts, but also the staff and executives in any organization. Seers is the biggest hiring platform for privacy professionals, which lets you choose an advisor according to your requirement. With Seers, be compliant and be secure.